Let's decorate this beautiful cake together. Hi, beautiful people. My name is Bukola, and I'm the creative director behind the brand Base Cakes. Kindly subscribe to this channel using the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Now let's get right into it. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make very cute rainbows and also how to decorate a Bluey themed two-tiered fondant cake. We'll be starting with the rainbows. I wanted a pastel colored rainbow. That's why we have lighter shades of colors here. We have yellow, we have peach and lilac. And then sky blue will be coming in later on, but right now we just have yellow, peach and lilac. And what I was just simply doing here was rolling it out. I rolled each colors out in thin long ropes, and you have to make sure that the sizes of each rope are all equal so that you have a uniformed rainbow. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. The sizes of each rope has to be equal in width and the size, the thickness has to all be the same so that your rainbow can be uniform. So all I did was just bend it more like curve. I curved the line, the ropes were made earlier. I curved it to give us the rainbow shape. Can you see how cute it came out? So it's just pretty much the same thing I'm doing for the second one, just that this time around I turned it upside down. We started with yellow the first time, making lilac the last one, but I just flipped it upside down, making lilac come first this time and then yellow being the last one. So that's just pretty much what I kept on doing. Because for this particular design, we need about 5 to 6 rainbows. Now we're going to be introducing the sky blue I mentioned earlier, because I want the rainbow to be a little bit bigger than the previous ones, and then I also want a little bit of an extra color. I wanted blue to be added to it, a little bit of contrast, and then also to make it bigger. That's why we had to introduce sky blue into it. So we're just going to repeat the same process, add the color to it, roll it out in the same size, make it into a curve, and then there you have your rainbow. And that's just pretty much everything. Just can you see how beautiful all the rainbows turned out? And another thing is I was meant to record how I carved out this number one, that figure one topper, but then I thought the camera was recording, but it wasn't. But don't worry, definitely I'll make another video about how to carve out your numbers, your figures in another video. I promise I'll make up for this. Now we have our rainbows and a figure ready for the cake. And that's going to be all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be the first to see my video once it drops. See you next time. Bye.